Have you ever heard of a man turning into a dog?
Well, they all do eventually, don't they?
Shaggy, you're back!
This is a man who hates dogs. Thanks, guys.
Good night, sir.
And through a strange circumstance, you scared him!
Oh, he bit me.
He turns into a dog, and through being a dog, he learns to be a better human.
What's happening to me? I love you.
We hooked up with these great actors. Jane Curtin is in this. Robert Downey Jr.
I am the chief scientist. I, me, mine. Ha!
No more growling.
Silence! Quiet!
I gotta go, guys.
Tim is funny all the time.
Don't talk to anybody. Don't play the music. You're in charge.
He can't help it.
I got you now. I'm not playing prison. I got it. I am good. Is there anyone who has not sniffed my butt?
Did you know that terrorists never laugh? FYI, your roll-on really worked wonders on my roids. So buy American Dad on DVD. Show it to your friends. If they don't laugh, kill them. I'm just kidding. Not really.
From the creator of Family Guy comes American Dad Volume 1.